Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about some easy skills on which you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn money. So let's go to fiverr.com, and in today's video I will teach you about the skill of creating Instagram post or designing Instagram post. So I write here Instagram post design and I click on this, and let's see, there is 1 lakh plus services available, and we open one of the service like this one. Yeah, so in basic he he charge $135 we of only 9 posts, and $180 for 12 posts, and premium $225 for 15 posts. He is top rated, and he create beautiful posts, and I will teach you how you can create posts like these. So that's it, and let's move towards that how we can create these eye-catching Instagram posts in some seconds, sorry, in some minutes. So I click on canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is the one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. So let's start. So I click on search button, and here I search for Instagram post. So I click on blank template. I want to choose square, so I cross this one, and so this is a square Instagram post, and I think I would like to create an Instagram post on fitness. So as you can see, there are great Instagram designs. You just have to customize this, and that's it. So let's check. Workout exercise. I think this one is good because I like this one, and you just have to customize this, like you write here the client username. So I write here ABC, it's just a testing, and all things are good. You have to, you must have to change the background image because square, this one, and replace background. So I think it's look good. So that's it, and in this way you can create Instagram post in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.